How to fix text notification sound not working in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then scroll down and turn on your notification sound. Then go back and scroll down and click on apps. Now click on messages app and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the storage and cache memory of messages app. After clear storage and cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.